Hey everyone, if you run an SMM panel or manage social media campaigns, you know how time-consuming it can be to create tasks manually, copying details, setting requirements, and posting jobs one by one. That process just got a lot easier. GainWorkers is proud to announce that PerfectPanel API Integration is now live. This powerful new feature connects your SMM panel directly to the GainWorkers platform, so you can create microtasks with a single click. Here's how it works. PerfectPanel is widely used by SMM service providers. Once you link it to GainWorkers through our new API, any task in your PerfectPanel can automatically become a micro job on the platform. No more re-entering titles, descriptions, or requirements. The information transfers seamlessly. For employers, this means major time savings. You can focus on strategy and scaling instead of repetitive admin work. Task creation becomes faster, more consistent, and less prone to errors. You'll also maintain a steadier flow of available jobs, which helps keep workers engaged and campaigns moving efficiently. For workers, the benefit is more opportunities. As more employers connect their panels, a wider variety of tasks will appear on GainWorkers, giving you more ways to earn. Setting it up is simple. Log into your GainWorkers account, go to the API section in your dashboard, and follow the step-by-step instructions. You'll find the API keys you need and clear guidance to authorize the connection with your PerfectPanel account. No advanced technical skills required. Once connected, you continue managing campaigns in PerfectPanel as usual, and the corresponding microtasks appear on GainWorkers automatically. A few quick answers. The main benefit? Creating microtasks on GainWorkers directly from your SMM panel with one click, saving time and reducing manual work. Who can use it? GainWorkers employers who want to automate task creation by connecting their PerfectPanel accounts. Where are the setup instructions? Right in the API section of your dashboard, along with everything you need to get started. This integration is designed to make the platform more efficient for everyone. Employers work faster. Workers get more opportunities. Campaigns run smoother. PerfectPanel API integration is live right now on GainWorkers. Head to your dashboard, open the API section, and set up the connection today. In just a few minutes, you can move from manual task creation to a fully automated workflow. Thank you for being part of the GainWorkers community. We're excited to help you work smarter and grow faster. Go try it out and enjoy the time you'll save.